In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to reset the network settings on this device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to settings, then choose system and go to advanced. Here you will notice reset options, so just mark to open and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then confirm it by tapping on reset settings, provide your screen lock, click here again. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.